Horses out, we have Maypan, run the dance, fighting it out for the lead. Zantantoni is racing in third, Bravo Bell ready to rumble. Run the dance, Maypan is running by the rail. 6 lengths away into now is Bravo Bell. Santantoni is down on the inside and ready to rumble. Trails the field by about 8 to 9 lengths up the pace. Meanwhile, now we have Maypan, the leader by a length and a half. Run the dance in second, 7 lengths away in third, Santantoni. Bravo Bell is racing in fourth and ready to rumble, still racing in last. That's still Maypan by about 3 lengths now. Run the dance still in second, trying to get closer now in third is Santantoni. Bravo Bell in fourth and ready to rumble. Maypan still in front by about 2.5 lengths. Run the dance, then here comes Santantoni. Now trying to get closer in third, Bravo Bell ready to rumble. Maypan by only 2 lengths. Santantoni, sorry outside as they come down at the last 150. We have a Santantoni now moves on the outside. Maypan drives back in second. Run the dance, Bravo Bell ready to rumble. Entering the finish line, we have Santantoni. And finally, Santantoni. Maypan run the dance, then comes ready to rumble, and Bravo Bell.
Ano yun? 4-2-1-5?
3.
4-2-3-1.
4-2-3-1.
Mhm.
Hindi ko